Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do today's tasks. So after you clicked on teacher messages and open the message for Thursday, May 20th, scroll down to watch this video about what you need to do to finish your homework for today. The first task you need to do is a forum. You have done a couple of forums so far, so you should be able to know how to do them. So click here. You're going to study about Victoria Day today because May 24th is Victoria Day, which is a statutory holiday, and it's a holiday. So scroll down. First, there's a video that you need to watch. In this video, you're going to learn a lot of good vocabulary about Victoria Day. So please make sure that you have a pencil and a piece of paper ready so that you can just take notes of the new vocabulary and be ready to ask some questions about them on our next Zoom meeting. After you have watched the video, scroll down. There are 4 questions here that you're going to answer in the forum. You can click here, add a new discussion topic, and when you do so, in the subject of your post, you will write your name, like for example, Zulvanar's post. And then you answer the 4 questions and you post it to forum. Don't forget to read 3 other posts and reply to them. When you're finished with this activity, go back. You need to go to ESL Library website for the second task. Now, if you go back to the home page of your online classroom, and if you scroll down, right under the Zoom link for your class, you will see the ESL Library website. So click here. Now you need to enter your username and password. For the new students, I just sent you your username and password for this website. So just enter them. And then press enter. When you log in, you will see the activities for Victoria Day. So just click here. Oh, and just one more thing. Pay attention to the due dates. You have time until Sunday night, 9 p.m. to submit your work. All right. And when you log in, you will see a couple of activities that you need to do. The first 2 activities are matching, vocabulary matching. Click here. You're going to match the word or phrases with their definition. In order to match, so let's say, for example, annually means every year. So I'm going to click on annually, then I'm going to click on every year, and now they're matched. Do the same for the other words. And when you're finished, you click I'm finished. You do the same for task B. Then there's a reading and listening section. You read and listen to an article about Victoria Day. So as you read, you can also listen here. If you click here, you can also listen to the audio, which is good for your pronunciation. And when you're finished, you click I'm finished. Click back to assignments. You open the comprehension questions. Now you have to answer some questions based on the reading that you just read. There are 9 questions, as you can see here. So you answer all of them. And you review them here. And then you click Submit Answers. I will review your answers and give you feedback on them. Back to assignments. There's a vocabulary review. So see how much you remember about the vocabulary that you just studied. There are 5 questions here, and then you have to click Submit. When you click Submit and you get your score, if you see that your score is less than 70%, please try that activity again. So there are 2 vocabulary review, and finally there is a listen and type. So you click here to listen, and then
Victoria Day.
And then you type your answers. And when you're finished, you click submit. And that's all you need to do for today. Okay? I wish you have a great long weekend.